Blah, 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 blah. Hey, Broken. So it'll look like The Rock? Yeah, dog. Fucking, Space Mount came in one day and saw, like, all of the different outfits Kitt was wearing. And was able to, like, turtleneck, chain on it. Pink suit on it. I've got a bench trial. And I've got court. We're hot dropping. We are hot dropping. We are fucking hot dropping. Yeah, we're going in raw style. I don't know if you saw, but Kitt got proposed to last night by I think it's a strategic move so that person can use his office. Lucky Beach. He lost 3 wives but gained a new one. Hi, love. We're okay to get married. Who is this? Who is the? Oh. Oh. Hey. Lucky. Awesome. Awesome. But what about my true love? Riley Reeds.
Get on the road.
What? What that man just say to me? Oh, shit. Shit, shit. Shit, shit, shit. Shitty, shitty. Shitty shit boy. Shit. That, you did that. That was your fault this time, Broken. Fuck. Fucker. Fuck. 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 Alright. We're good. DLSS is not on. There it is. I went in too raw. A little too raw for my own liking. Oh! That person was a maniac. They almost killed me. Out of my way! Focus! Oh my god, broken. Damn it! Damn it! So much momentum, you can't stand on that. They don't let you stand on it. Hey! There it is. Time for that lean already? I wish. Nope. No lean 40. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Nice moves, Kitt.
Hey. Sorry.
We have upgraded, by the way. We're no longer one person, we're now two.
What
Yep, Crumb with a U will be joining us.
All right. I have trial. I've got Moose Maples on trial at 3.
Wrong side, buddy. This is my side.
He's an 88.
Yep, this is my side.
Why are you guys matching?
It's James O'Quinn Day.
Oh, happy day. Happy James O'Quinn Day, everyone.
James O'Quinn.
I have upgraded it to a bench trial, but I am working on the report still. Also, Kitt O'Leary, be advised, Crumb and Crumb Packer have a history of running out of court when they don't like the verdict.
What
I will just leave that information with you.
I want him hard cuffed to that desk.
Ooh.
I want him hard and so cuffed hard to
Ooh,
that
you
desk.
heard the judge.
The hardest is you can cuff them.
Yeah. You will not be shambling out of
I
here.
will make him so he can face you, though.
Carry him like that the
There
whole
you go.
time.
No shambling.
Let me read this report real quick.
I would like to read the report.
No. Just kidding.
He said no.
I wish to fire my lawyer. I wish to represent myself.
Not saying anything.
Did you hear me, Your Honor?
What?
I wish to fire my lawyer.
Okay. I guess I'm fired.
Yeah.
May I sit here, Your Honor?
Loser.
Yeah, well, whatever.
Yes. Thank you.
Have a beautiful day. Have a great rest of James O'Quinn Day.
Oh, it's always a good day when we're dressed as James O'Quinn, so.
I wish to read the
James
case.
O'Quinn Day. To all.
Actually,
Okay. It's right there. It's
Have
on
you
the
fired me?
computer. Can you
I'm
reach
on
it?
that side.
Ay, ay,
Can
ay.
you see it? It's right here.
It's right there. It's on the computer. You gotta reach it. Use your tongue. Gotta use your tongue. Since you're hard cuffed.
He could help.
Be closer.
Yeah, just nudge him over there, and then he can use his tongue.
Be closer.
Fired you. And
Get in there with it.
You're scaring me.
There you go. Move him how James O'Quinn would do it. With alcohol, rage, and his fists.
oh yeah.
What, O'Quinn?
It needs some help.
Yeah, he's on the... Look at him go.
Come on.
He's on the O'Quinn prowl.
This is how I walk my date.
That's how he walks.
Like I'm searching for the one ring.
I think I can do it again.
It's okay. Kit's got all of the
Yeah,
wives.
he can't see it.
He
I
can't see...
demand to be
It's...
handcuffed,
I don't
but
trust
I read the
this.
case.
Just... This is pretty sussy.
For the record.
I played a lot of that game.
Can you see it now?
And I find this incredibly sussy.
He probably can't look at the MDW if he is actually in
Right, yeah.
shackles.
If he's...
However- What I
can
can
lock the
do
door.
is I can remove these cuffs and put them on his feet so he can't move.
Hell yeah! They're on your feet.
On
You
your
can't
feet.
move. You'll just fall over like a big dum-dum.
Oh, there he goes.
Look at him fall like a dum-dum boy.
You warned him, Your Honor.
Ah,
Look at him fall. Silly boy.
can't walk, loser.
God, court is not starting at 3. Crumb Packer. Crumb Packer. Is this Crumb or Crumb?
What were you
Crom
Crom
with an O.
thinking?
This is Crumb. Crom. Chrome. Is it
Crom.
Chrome?
Crawl.
Crom.
Crom. Okay. It's a soft O, not a long. Or is that called a short O? Long O, short O, soft
It's a-
O.
Like it's a short O.
Short O. Okay, thank you. How's he been doing? Today marks his he's supposed to complete this in like 7 days. I'll have to contact Paco.
I'm just gonna transfer the cuffs over to these chairs, okay?
So, okay, let's see. Reeds responded to 911 from dispatch that they were being pulled over by
You gotta put shackles on his feet, Kip, because he's not allowed to be free range of movement because he's a naughty
Ooh.
boy.
He's a
Who are
very, very naughty boy. Both of them
Ah, yeah,
must
yeah.
be shackled by the feet.
Who?
Okay, gotcha.
You have the wrong person. Who was?
Reminds me of the time my dog drank my beer. Just kind of stumbled around and
Yeah,
ran
yeah,
into
sorry.
walls.
Good job.
Thank you, thank you. All right, I shackled his feet together. I can disregard 22 left.
Good job, officer.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You just shackled up. All right.
That's it. Yep, great job.
Thank you, sir.
Happy
appreciate
James
the
O'Quinn
feedback.
Day.
It's official.
Happy James O'Quinn Day to us all.
It's a great day.
It's always a great day.
Do you have any spare mustard I can smear on my coat?
Oh, got enough for the whole town, Your Honor.
Hi, Lundy.
Milk urine, actually.
God damn, he's gonna talk like that. Lifeguard operated reads, instructed units, dispatch units, arrived, told, dispatch, leave. Lifeguard. I've got court at 3, Lundo. It's already 2:30. All right. How we doing? Moose is going to be so mad if his court doesn't start at 3. He's going to be so mad, that Moose Maple.
What court is it?
He's getting sued. He ran over someone, I think.
Oh my god.
Uh-huh. I thought he'd be sued for beating people up.
Okay, I've done my statement and then I'll be a witness as well. And I've added his possessions and the evidence that I wanted added.
Miss Reeds, what is a lifeguard?
A lifeguard?
Yeah, I was just making fun of your spelling error.
Where's my spelling error?
The word lifeguard.
yeah,
Yeah, right? It's a Lafia guard.
That was mean, Kitt.
I know. I take it back.
Yeah.
It's not
Only
kind to
month
make fun
before
of people.
months, 2 days after my birthday.
And on James O'Quinn Day.
And on
Yep.
James O'Quinn Day.
Happy late birthday.
Yeah, happy belated
Belated.
birthday.
Thank you.
You hardly look 38.
That's terrible. I'm only 30.
I know.
I hate
That was a
my
mean
life.
joke.
Fantastic. You're good.
Dang.
I'm a big meanie today. I was playing Rise of the Ronin all morning and having a lot of fun with it. The 60 FPS mode looks fantastic. Harvey!
Yes, Judge?
Hi!
Hello?
What are you
Your
doing
Honor,
up
the case is
there?
Ready to start.
I'm ready.
The door to the courtroom is closed.
Oh, okay.
They're closed hearing.
I think we're almost ready. I do have a witness on the way.
Cool.
Your Honor, the prosecutor is drinking alcohol.
It is a holiday, Your Honor.
It is a holiday.
I am
holiday.
James O'Quinn.
He is
James
James
O'Quinn.
O'Quinn.
He is James O'Quinn. He's allowed to celebrate. Hell yeah. Look at this guy. This
Your
is a
Honor, the
cop.
individual that just walked in has a terrible haircut. Can we get him removed from the
No,
court?
no, 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 no,
mean.
no. That's
Yeah.
very mean.
It don't look good.
Does not look good. Can we get him removed?
They're making fun of your hair, sir. I
You
I
can't
think
look
you
great
look
with it.
lovely.
people because they don't have nice hair.
What the fuck's
Yeah.
wrong with my hair, asshole?
I think you look lovely, sir.
Great. I like
Stop lying to this man.
Maybe instead of worrying about my appearance, you should worry about your style.
What the-
Willie, look at them
what the
both.
fuck
They're
he
both
said
in
to-
shackles. Laugh at them because they can't walk.
Yeah, watch them fall over.
Yeah, watch them fall over when they try to walk.
Listen,
Oh my
stop
god,
it.
Willie, this is so much stuff. Thank
God
you.
bless you.
Thank you.
How'd you
Oh,
get
lucky guy.
snackies?
Oh, look at them fall. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha.
No, we're not animals. Stop it. I don't even know why I'm here. Stop. Who are you? Stop bumping into me.
Oh my god. I can't believe they did all of this. Or supposedly did.
We are ready to start, Your Honor.
I'm a big fan of foot shackle RP.
Your Honor. is
Hi.
having a stroke?
No, he's just having
Is
a
he
hard time
actually having
standing
a
up.
Stroke, or does he
I
need
don't
a
know.
compliment?
Might be just falling.
See,
Well,
he's-
you look nice today in your nice little
Because
shirt. I'd
he's
like that shirt
falling
from.
in and out of love with you. Alicia Keys,
Thank you so much.
you know that
Mean a
one?
lot. No.
Okay,
Again.
I cannot.
Oh.
I've used up 5 seconds of that song.
You want me to sing a song?
No. No.
Oh, okay.
No. I know, Mike Block was on one, and I was in a lot of pain. Still in a lot of pain.
Brother.
Yeah, I'm not your brother. I am not your brother.
Is the last name just a coincidence then?
See,
I am Ray Romano.
I do not know him.
You-
This is Ray Romano.
Ray Ram...
See?
Yeah, I don't know. Everyone loves me. I don't know what the issue is.
Huh.
I'm gonna burp.
For
Oh, that was a
crying
good one.
out loud, settle down. James Owen.
That is called Sunday roast dinner coming up.
Yeah, I can smell it.
It was friggin' delicious.
Smells it.
You know what I had?
What do you have?
Nothing, because the state's taking every dollar I have. I eat
Well,
nothing
maybe
but
you should pay
grass.
your
Well,
friggin'
maybe
taxes,
you
stop being a
should.
criminal.
Stop yelling at me.
Where the hell is this witness?
Can we start the trial, por favor?
Yeah, we can probably get started. He is coming.
Okay. Alrighty, let's get this show on a road. Defense, you are... Confirm that you please confirm you're okay representing yourselves.
See?
That's you're Crom, right?
I'm Cram, he's Cram.
And Crumb, you're okay representing yourself?
See,
Okay. Okay. Let's just kick this off with some statements. Sure, let me take a look here at the charges. We're gonna go through with pleas. Crom, you're facing the charges of I'm gonna read off the charges. Let me know how you plea after each one, okay? So
Is this
Crom,
me or him?
operating a motor vehicle without a license.
So to make it easier, Kit, we refer to
Ah.
him as Mr. O and Mr. U.
Mr. O, Mr. U? Okay. Mr. O, how do you plead to operating a motor vehicle without a license?
Guilty.
You said guilty.
See?
Okay. Reckless evading,
Guilty.
resisting arrest,
Guilty.
theft of a motor vehicle,
Guilty.
fraudulent personation of a government employee.
Guilty.
So you're pleading guilty to everything.
See?
Why are you here?
I don't know.
What the fuck, Crumb?
Mr. U. Resisting arrest.
I not guilty.
Theft of a motor vehicle.
Not guilty.
Fraudulent personation of a government employee.
Not guilty.
Okay. Mr. O. Would you like to, since you've pled guilty to everything, would you like to work to have like a, plea deal here? Is that what you
I want
want?
to go to prison.
You want to go to prison? All right.
Prosecution moves to call Crumb Parker as a witness for the prosecution.
Okay. I'll allow it.
Objection.
What's your objection?
I'm not relevant to the case.
See.
Overruled.
I demand that I be unshackled as I am a witness now, and not a defendant.
No, you were a flight risk. So you can go sit somewhere else, but you'll remain shackled.
Okay.
No, loosen up his. Can you put some slack on his rope?
Well,
Oh, there he goes.
He's got that.
He's got that. Okay.
Yeah, he's got it.
All right. I'm gonna use my mic now. Okay. State makes it a little easier. So now that he's pled guilty to So we're working with only Mr. U, yeah? All right. So
Yeah.
Mr. U, all right, let's get you started, State. Miss Reeds, would you like to kick things off with some narrative testimony?
No, I would like my witness to hurry the heck up. He's outside.
He
I think
is.
I think he went to the DMV by accident.
Okay.
I don't know, but
That door is locked right there, I believe.
Oh.
So that might be causing an issue. Yeah, I know. Mike
Yeah, I
Block
just
went
came
off.
in.
Oh, hello. Who said that?
I did, Miss Banana.
Ah!
the state calls Luke Davis to the stand.
Hey, that me.
Hey, come on up.
My favorite dispatch.
No, it's this side. Nope.
Oh, it is
No,
that
no,
side?
yeah, you
Oh,
gotta
that's
use.
'cause it's
Yeah,
benched.
you're gonna
Yeah,
use
it's
that side.
benched, we all use the same
Yeah,
side.
you're gonna use that side. All right.
Hey, the state motions for Mr. O to be the bailiff and hobble around in his shackles.
That's fine.
Mr. O?
God damn.
Come on up, Mr. O. You're gonna swear him in, okay? Do you know what to say, Mr. O?
I do.
All right. What do you want to swear
okay?
on today, sir? Yeah, he's fine. He's just shackled and can't walk.
Makes sense.
What do you want to swear on?
VPD.
PP? Okay.
No, VPD.
Boo!
Vespucci Police Department.
Boo!
All right.
Bad swear, bad swear.
Hey,
Raise
Kenny.
your left hand for the court, por favor.
See?
Hey, Kenny.
Confirm to tell the truth and nothing but the truth under the
B
painted-
caught him?
painted,
Oh.
perjury to wish you BPD.
Yes.
All right.
He's sworn in, Your Honor.
Thank you so much, O. He's all yours, O. Quinn.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sir, for the record, could you please state your first and last name?
Mike Block
My name
did
is
it.
Luke Davis.
Luke Davis.
And Luke, could you please grace the courtroom with your narrative testimony of what happened here today?
Yep. So, I was picking up my friend from the DMV.
Today is
Went towards San Andreas Avenue. As I was going down San Andreas Avenue to the Power Street intersection, a lifeguard vehicle pulled up behind me with its lights on, and they instructed me to pull over. And so I did so. I turned right onto Lower Power Street, pulled over. 2 men got out of the vehicle. They came up to the side of my truck, told me that I was speeding, and that I needed to provide my license and registration. Upon doing so, I was informed that they were alleged stabbers, and so I texted 911 that I was 1077 in need of code 2 assistance, and that I was being pulled over by alleged stabbers. It was then that I stalled for time for the officers to arrive, and then once they did, they instructed me that I could leave the scene since I was safe and secure.
Thank you. Now, when you say stabbers, what do you mean?
When you say stabbers.
I mean, that's just what was told to me. I could infer that stabbers implies knife inside of human body. At
Oh
some
my
point in time.
god.
Thank you. And the gentleman that pulled you over, do you recognize them in this courtroom today?
Yes.
Is one of them the gentleman on the floor
Mike
here
it?
that can't walk to my
When
left?
you say it.
Yes, that was the one at the driver's side door doing most of the communication.
Oh my god.
Did they identify themselves at all?
No, actually, I don't think they did.
Ooh.
Not so much as a introduction of their name?
They did not say their name. They said that they were enforcers of the law of some
Okay.
sort. I don't remember exactly what they said,
Said they
but
were
they did
enforcers of the
mention the
law.
fact that they were, enforcing the laws of the land in some capacity. And then that they pulled me over because I was going 55 in a 50, which I was not, to my knowledge.
And the vehicle they pulled you over in, were the sirens on?
The lights were on. I can't recall if it had sirens or not because I wasn't really paying attention to it because it was a lifeguard vehicle and lifeguards wouldn't have jurisdiction in the middle of the city. But in order to kind of just entertain the fact of pulling over a little bit. I just kind of did.
And those headphones you have on, you always wear those?
I'm a dispatcher, so yes.
So it may have been hard to hear sirens with those headphones on. Yes?
It would have been yes. And I was listening to current police communications at the time as there were active calls going on, which is why I was also texting 911, not to interrupt the radio communications, but also to not give notice that I was actively talking on a radio.
Excellent. Thank you very much. No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Defense, any questions?
No.
No. Okay. You're all good. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your bravery.
Yep. Thank you all.
Get the hell out of here. What the hell are you
Get
doing?
down
Get
now.
off.
I seem to.
Get
I seem
out
to
of
be stuck
here.
in the chair.
It's
I seem
time
to be
to
stuck
Get
in the
go.
out of here.
Just get off the chair.
Just get off.
You're
I think you need to tackle me off
embarrassing.
this
You have a
chair.
problem getting
My
off?
leg is stuck. I need to
Kinda
get away off
weird.
the chair.
Tackle yourself.
It said, oh. There we go.
That guy's a dispatcher. You can't get it from a chair. Oh my god.
Kinda
Oh
weird.
my god, this is why I didn't want to do it myself.
Look at him go.
There we go.
Headset more like needs a helmet.
Yeah, you're good to go.
What a silly Billy.
Yeah.
Sorry, I stubbed my toe.
Hello, Miss Reeds. Your turn to be sworn in. Go ahead, O.
The truth. Talking about the truth. The fans of have the badgering. The wish you. About the wish you. I don't know.
Yep.
Yeah, yes, I do.
Thank you.
11
She's
minutes
all
time.
yours.
Thank you, Your Honor. Officer Reeves, would you please share with us your narrative testimony?
A 911 text came in from dispatch saying they needed 77s because they were being pulled over by some stabbers. I arrived on scene after instructing units to arrive there and see a lifeguard unit is pulling them over. I see Crum with an O and Crum with a U Packer in the vehicle. A police pursuit happens, and at some point during the pursuit, Crum with an O Packer is heard to say, "We are FIB agents." I checked the directory, and they are both in the directory as secret agents. We actually managed to triangle box the lifeguard vehicle, and Crum with a U got out and ran on foot. He then held himself hostage over the freeway and eventually jumped to his demise, where he had to go to hospital. The vehicle they had both been in had signs of tampering. So I told Crum with an O, as he was the driver, he was liable for the vehicle and was getting theft of a motor vehicle. But then he said Crum with a U was
Kinda
the one who
weird.
actually stole it, and Crum with a U was found with all the lockpicks. So I am inclined to believe that as well. So yeah, we have resisting
Oh!
Can you not shout, Teddy? Thank you so
Okay,
much.
yeah,
This
I
is
think
my
she's
time
just
to
saying
go.
we have court in 5 minutes. Yeah, okay. We're
My
aware. Yeah, we might have to delay like 5 minutes. That's okay.
Yep. So reckless resisting arrest after a motor vehicle impersonation. He pulled over a government official pretending to be a lifeguard. FIB agent was in the app as a secret agent. Ran away from cops and ended up jumping off a bridge to his own demise, and had lockpicks and stole their vehicle. That is my statement.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Officer Reeves. No further questions, Your Honor.
Okay.
No questions to begin with, I guess. Here we go.
Defense, any questions?
See.
All right, make sure you're using your big boy voice.
Oh, yeah. Hola.
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 Oh, see. Okay. Hello, officer. What is your name?
I am Deputy Riley Reeds. I am your abuelita, as you call me.
Oh.
I have never met you in my life. So let's start from the top. How do you know me, Miss Reeds?
I've
my God.
arrested you numerous times, Crum.
So you're alleging today I did these crimes?
Yes.
Do you have proof of me doing these crimes?
Yes.
I was up north in Sandy all day with Carl the cactus. That's very hard to believe.
Carl the
Hmm.
cactus.
I wake up in hospital after we had an explosion in the kitchen. So I don't know.
Secret
I-
Agent Jerry.
let me ask you,
Secret
Miss
Agent
Reeves.
Perry.
Why would I jump off a bridge?
I don't know.
Objection.
It's a very
Speculation.
Sustained. So listen.
They have their
I
fingerprints.
don't think I would do something like that. Okay. So, Miss Reeves,
yes, Crumb.
these charges, right? They cannot be for me. You realize that, right?
They are for you.
No. Your Honor,
You
she's
were
not.
apprehended on scene and taken to the hospital and then VPD where you were fingerprinted.
Who was fingerprinted?
You.
What's the name?
Objection.
I am Ray
Argumentative.
Romano.
Sustained.
I swear to God, I'm gonna hit you. Shut up over there.
Oh, everybody fucking hates Raymond.
No.
I hated that show. All
That
right.
Sucked.
Okay.
Oh,
Any more questions, sir?
Yeah, give me a moment. How much time do I have?
30 seconds.
Is there a reason? Okay,
Yeah, there's a trial.
okay, is that going to impact my verdict? Are you going to
No.
prepare?
Yes.
I don't
Only
feel
thing
like it,
impacting your verdict is the testimony and the evidence.
which there's none of. Okay, yeah, this lady can get off stand. I don't know her.
Okay.
That's Officer Riley Reeves.
It's
I
kind of
am.
me.
Listen. I don't even know where I am today.
Okay.
You
All
may
right.
step down from
You
the stand.
better-
Well, I'll
yeah,
tell you
can
where you're
step down
going
now. Make sure your brother's
No.
okay,
to
okay?
be today.
All right. Thank you, State. Defense, would you like to provide narrative testimony?
Oh no, actually, we called Crumb Packer to the stand.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Crom, go ahead.
See,
All right, Crom.
All right.
Do you swear to tell the truth? Raise your left hand to the sky. Raise your left hand to the sky, Crom. That works. Do you swear to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, or you'll die in hellfires, subject to the pains of perjury? So
No.
help you, Crumb.
No.
No, you're going to lie.
See?
Okay,
boy,
he's-
Cotton. Let's see how
see,
it plays out.
we need it. We need it for the testimony, Your Honor.
See?
It's
Uh,
important that he please know here.
He's going to lie. Okay.
It's needed for structure, Your Honor.
See?
Motion.
We're trying to build
charge him
those.
with perjury.
Yeah.
Okay.
He has
All
not done
right.
it yet. He has not done it yet.
Okay,
I've
Crumb.
not done it yet.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Crumb. Do you remember what
judges.
you said to me in the cells?
how's it going?
I do not recall.
You don't recall what you said to me in the cells?
I do not recall.
Okay. Crumb, did you steal the lifeguard vehicle?
I do not recall.
You already pled guilty to it, though, honey.
I do not recall.
Okay. Who is that man?
I do not recall.
Oh my god, he doesn't even remember who you are, Crumb. Alright,
am-
guess I
I am
have no
Ray
further
Romano.
questions.
Okay. Defense? Nothing.
Hold
All
on,
right.
sir.
Good try.
All right.
Hola.
Anything you want to say? Anything you want to ask him?
Sir, you see, senor, what is your name?
I do not recall.
What do you know my name?
I do not recall.
Have you ever met me before?
I do not recall.
Get Tubby off the stand. He's not helping. Get out of here.
Oh,
All right.
Okay, that's all you're on there.
Alright, prosecution rest, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Well, we do closings.
Can I
Stumble
give
off
my
the
closing
stand.
Closings after he
Yep.
goes.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
making sure.
Quinn
Get
doesn't
on
know where
off.
court is.
All right.
And an
Closings.
assault
Go
charge.
ahead.
I don't.
No, he's stumbling. It's okay. It happens.
Leave
Go
him
ahead.
alone.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, as the
This is a
prosecution has presented
mess.
here today,
I've never heard anyone
despite the
deny.
Packers insistently suggesting there's never any evidence,
Packer.
while simultaneously not knowing anything, there is. There were in the government life card vehicle. Solid physical evidence, I'd say. Massive piece of evidence, even. We've got the reports where they called in claiming to be agents. And we have the witness physically identifying them, pulling them over in the car while instructing to be enforcers of the law.
He's held in contempt of court. Yeah.
Forcing all the laws of the land. The Packers love to do things like this constantly, believing they leave no evidence behind so long as they say, I don't know. My name's Ray Romano. And that show sucked. So they're not even giving good excuses or reasons or names.
Lucky I
It's
shuffled.
time. Eddie's interrupting me during my closing statement. Get over there, filth. I'm James O'Quinn. These guys can go fuck themselves.
All
The
right.
prosecution rests.
All right. Thank you. Go ahead with your closing, Mr. You.
See, hola, Your Honor. How could I be guilty if my name is Ray and I was up north all day with my pet cactus Carl cooking chili? That's all, Your Honor.
All right. I'll be back in like 3 minutes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Take
Got
longer,
one.
sir. You need to
Sorry
deliver it.
for the tough deliberation, Your Honor.
I can
Is Bud
I can find him
impersonating
of contempt
someone?
of court, right?
Who?
The guy for not for denying the swearing in, right?
Is Mr. James O'Quinn.
I mean,
Is that
Yeah,
he
I
was
mean,
a
they
summoned
just-
witness by the state?
Fucking time in jail.
Is that not contempt of court?
what do you think? You're the judge. If you
Yeah.
want it to be contempt, it can be contempt.
There it was.
Yeah. He just said I'm going to lie on stand. Said no, I will not tell the truth.
You're coming to threaten and
Let me see how
bribe
it's.
me.
Hold on, let me
Remember, I'm
confirm here.
James O'Quinn, and I live
Fucking,
up in
he's
a nice
shouting.
house,
Guilty.
and you can go fuck yourself.
Why is James Bud?
It's James
impersonating-
O'Quinn Day.
Shut the
We see that the prosecution, James Byrd, is not nice.
I am James O'Quinn.
Wait, which
flipping
Packer is this? Is this Crum or Crum?
Crom, they both said I want a bench trial. Crom pleaded guilty to everything. Crum pleaded not guilty to everything.
Do you want to see my
Ah.
Byrd?
Keep your little penis in your pants.
Oh my god.
Nobody wants to see that.
Nobody wants to
Yeah.
hear that either.
Yeah, an abusive process of proceedings of the court. Yeah.
Why?
I'm just here
Yeah.
for the tea.
I know.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what happened either. This is all you.
What is a contempt? So it's contempt, but it's a misdemeanor with 0 anything.
You get to
choose the time and
decide.
fine.
Oh,
Yeah. Now, because you get to decide,
$5 million.
yeah, you want to make sure you don't do stupid things, or
Okay.
else, yeah.
Or
So
I'll get shot.
Be reasonable. Mhm.
Okay.
Be very reasonable.
Okay.
He was breaking
It was originally like at one point it was like a set time and fine, but it was
Yeah.
pretty low. And then it was like, okay, well you can stack it to be what you want, and then it's like, okay, or you can just like, you know,
Yeah, in case there was
Set
multiple
it.
contempt in a court case.
Well, yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So he did. There's just all of this.
I'm James O'Quinn.
He did all. They did all of this. I don't have to. there's pictures of them advertising themselves as secret agents. They identified themselves as members of the FIB. They didn't contest any of this. They identified themselves to a witness, another witness that was here, Mr. Luke Davis. There's fingerprints on the stolen vehicle of coming back to them. It's all here. They did it. So that's that. I just wanted to check all the contempt thing, make sure I wasn't insane. Okay.
Yeah, no, I mean, like, that sounds pretty much like contempt to me. If you play games in the courtroom, you're gonna find out.
All right.
How much are you thinking for
I was
time and fine?
like an additional 10 months and then like $300 fine, something like that.
Okay, because I was gonna say, so yesterday I gave a verdict and some guy basically told me to go fuck myself after. I gave him like 10 months, $1,000, just so.
Okay. Okay. Then I'll do that. Yeah. Don't
here's
fuck
the
around.
Thing. They're not gonna pay it anyway. So
No,
it's just
yeah.
a damage out.
Yeah, it sounds fine
Well, I
to
was
me.
gonna say, does that seem like it's about on the same level to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, they just wasted our time, and there's
Okay.
another court case here, so it was
Then there you
pointless for them to do that. Yeah.
I wouldn't go too much more than that without
no.
like a damn good fucking reason, right?
Yeah. Nope. It's pretty straightforward. They just both stood here lying and denied. They confirmed that they were going to lie and then did it. So,
Okay.
all right.
Sounds.
Thank
yeah,
you.
I mean, okay. All right.
For nothing.
All righty. Hello. We'll get this going.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hello. Okay, so Crompacker obviously has pled guilty to everything. Prior to this, I will leave the time and fine, obviously, up to the officers who arrested Crom. Mr. Yu, Crompacker, I'm finding you guilty of resisting arrest, theft of a motor vehicle, and fraudulent impersonation of a government employee, per the evidence provided, as well in the report, as well as the testimony of Luke Davis and Riley Reeds, who both noted the identification of yourselves when you pulled over Luke Davis, as well as stating that you're an FIB agent. Your fingerprints being on the vehicles, and the resisting of arrest. Furthermore, you are going to be found in contempt of court, as you would not, you said no to swearing yourself in. So that is a fine of.
That's Crom.
No
That's not-
arguing.
But that's the wrong person. I swore in.
Oh yes, Crom. Thank you. Crom is found. I appreciate that. That did happen. But you're Ray Romano, right? Oh, I see. You do remember your name, though. So Crom is being found with a 10-month sentence, $1,000 fine, contempt of court. Please abide by the rules of the court. May that be your lesson.
Was
That's
that
my
O
verdict.
or you?
What's that?
Was that O or you?
Crom. O, Mr. O, contempt. Mr. U, guilty of everything. I recommend bench trial reductions for Mr. U. Obviously, that's up to you, though. Okay? Thank you so much. Bang, bang.
We thank you, Your Honor, and happy James Quinn Day.
Okay,
You too.
I see you outside.
Okay, hang on, let me find you.
Nah. Hey.
There is a notification.
Goodbye.
If you're on the court case,
Where'd he go?
I always ping. I say about 20 minutes before on the court case.
Kitt.
Yep.
Yes.
So sorry.
Nice.
We had to
Like
kick
here
your
or
ass.
DMV?
Here for Moose
Sir, I
Maple.
don't even know
He's
where
here
that is.
actually.
Oh, perfect.
So I try to always,
So well-believed.
because there's always been complaints about people not knowing when court is. So day of, I'll reach out on the docket and just say, hey, we're at the city hall, or wherever it is.
Oh, okay. I mean, I just assume that everyone knows that if I've scheduled it, it's here,
yeah.
but I get it. though,
Same.
too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Moose.
Hello. You want to know something crazy?
Yeah, man.
Riley just called me. He's trying to tell me that I'm late for court. And then she lost her guy. She's like, "Oh, you're late for your court case 5 minutes." I was like, "Stop pocket watching my court case." I talked to Kitt, and now her guy ran off. And now look at her. She
Oh,
looks
he
so
just
stupid.
ran off, did he?
Yeah, he ran off.
What a little shit.
if I would have known that he was running off, I would have helped. But now I'm kind of. She's got to look so
But
dumb.
yeah, now you can just laugh at it.
You know,
right?
I don't want to be
just
late to my
laugh.
court case. How's it going, guys?
How you doing, man? It's been a while, Moose. You look.
Yeah, it's been.
Can I say you look beautiful? Is it okay for me to tell you that?
You can't say that.
Why can't you? Why can't he say that?
Did he say I can't?
My fiance Peach is gonna freak
Oh,
out if she finds
fuck.
out that you're hitting.
Oh,
on
you're
me.
Cucker Man.
He's not. Wait.
I'm
He's
not
not hitting
cucking.
on you. Just because he's telling you that you look good. I mean, a man can tell another man that he looks beautiful without it
Look,
being hitting on him.
I
come on.
know that.
Yeah.
I know that. But you know, if Peach finds out, which she will, she's gonna fucking. I don't know. And I like her having a job.
Well, I'm engaged again. I had 3 wives for about 24 hours. They died.
Yeah, I was gonna say, they all died. Hey,
They
Oh,
died.
sorry about that. Yeah.
What, Kelly? Yeah, we're gonna start, Kelly. Today's my day off too, Kelly.
Okay, so why? Let's get this over with.
Oh.
Hey, before we start, does anyone have a bandage by any chance?
Yeah, sure.
No.
Perfect.
No. Kelly, you got any cookies I could eat?
I got food and water. But I don't
Oh,
have
perfect. That's
Perfect.
good.
Thank
That'll
you so
do.
much.
I got my cousin plantains.
Yeah, I'm not late. You didn't even finish up with yours.
I bought food specifically for you.
Thank you so much. I really need
Oh, look at that. Plantains. Look at
Yeah,
that.
but-
Fried
I need
plantains. Your cousin.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got it. I got the joke,
Yeah,
Kelly.
Yeah, thank you.
I got it.
just wanted to hammer it in. I'm such a funny girl.
Holy fuck, Hibiscus. You can't.
Kelly, you're the plaintiff. You're on the wrong side.
God damn it, Kelly. Good God, Kelly.
I'm not used to this. All my other cases
Get out of the routine.
Docket. Come on,
Day
guys.
off. Out of the routine, Kelly.
Wrong bullpen.
Holy fuck.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
The
I
voice.
just came by to see the trial.
What is happening?
What?
I've been on a docket forever.
Yeah, it's been on the docket for a while.
I
Just here to
know.
see a trial. That's all.
I've been gone for a month. It's not a
The-
thing, it's a me thing. I haven't been around in literally a
Is
month
that-
in like a week.
I mean, maybe we could just settle that. I don't know.
No, oh no.
Bird?
Okay.
Which one is that? Is that James Bird or
Let me
James
look at this
O'Quinn?
report. What's the fucking?
Which one of you is that? DA?
5610.
Which one of you is that, DA?
Mhm.
What's that?
Which one of you is that? Is that the one that just performed?
The one
Oh.
with the platinum hair.
Yeah, James O'Quinn. He just left.
Okay, okay, you're really throwing me here. I'm an old man, you can't play tricks on me. Right, Lisa? I'm old.
Courtroom.
That wasn't me.
What, did you say no cats?
Yeah, no cats in the courtroom. She said.
I'll have a cat in here if I need to have a cat in here, damn it.
Yeah, 2. Austin, go get a cat. Cat now.
What? I don't see no cat.
The worst assistant
Hey, what's
ever.
are you doing?
How do
I'm
I
putting my
sign
cat
this
back
goddamn
under the
medical
desk.
report?
Not with
should be
that
attached
attitude,
to
you
the
aren't.
court- to the thing.
No, I'm not. Is it the actual?
You want the
Miss
document?
Banana,
Oh,
is your client here?
Yeah, so you click on the actual report, and then depends on how they did it.
Oh, there we go. Cracked skull. Oh, okay.
Miss Banana,
Yeah,
is your client here?
he's right there, Your Honor.
Oh, I thought that was the famous singer, Sean Paul.
Close.
Yeah,
Fat
pretty
Sean
good, huh?
Paul.
You see it? You guys see it?
What?
Nothing, guys. Just ignore him. I'll deal with him later.
That was really mean, guy.
What? That's Sean Paul's a handsome man.
Oh, but Bird called my client fat.
Oh, okay.
I think they're hanging up on the wrong details here. Your
They are
Honor.
hanging up on the
That's-
wrong details.
Yeah,
You said like a fat Sean Paul?
objection relevance.
Yeah, I see it. Now I see it.
See,
Why is
see,
it-
see.
Guy, it's fine.
Hello?
Guy,
Kelly.
guy, you have to take a little roasting sometimes. It's fine.
Bree
know what you
Banana.
take?
It's Kelly
A tire to the
Banana.
head.
Oh,
That's right. That's right.
sometimes you got to take a tire to the head. Huh?
No, you don't.
Agree to disagree.
Good, right down.
All right, you feel ready over there, Mr. Moose.
Then I got promoted.
Sure.
All right, let's do this.
Nice.
Hold on, let me get over to my gavel side. Bang, bang, bang. Court is now in session. The Honorable Kitt O'Leary. That's me. We're going to be reviewing the case of Guy Mann versus Moose Maple et al. Today's statement of claim is that on February 10th, 2024, Guy Mann was unnecessarily ran over by Corporal Moose Maple while on the ground after being tackled by Deputy Maverick. The excessive force used by Mr. Mann... Huh? I don't know if that's true, but we'll go with it. The excessive force used by Mr. Mann to have surgery and has suffered from headaches since. We are seeking punitive damages for the unnecessary pain my client has suffered. I'm just reading what's here. The incident reports referenced are 5610, 5615, and then they are asking for punitive damages of $5,000. We'll ask them to, prove that out here, and then we'll go from there. Okay, is that accurate, Miss Banana?
Yeah.
Do you what? I'm gonna allow you to clarify that statement because it seems like you're implying that the excessive force was done by your client.
No, I think you misread.
I did not.
Guy Man was.
Oh my
Are you
God.
saying?
Are you saying I misread it?
God.
No,
I just got these glasses.
Nothing but critical all morning.
Yeah, she said you totally misread that.
So I heard that. I just gave out one contempt and I'll do it again.
I heard that
my
too.
God.
I wrote that down.
I want you to read it then and tell me what I read wrong.
Yeah.
Looking great, Kelly. Doing good.
Well, the excessive force was used. The excessive force used caused Mr. Mann.
So is it sick there? Would you mean to put sick? And then have me is it an applied?
Your Honor, that was written by Liz Bajek.
Oh, throws.
Wow, under the bus.
Oh, god
Well, under
damn.
the
Oh, shit, she cooking. Okay. First of all, not shocked. But okay, let's continue. What do you got, Kelly? You ready? Ready to do this?
Yeah, are we doing opening? Okay.
Yeah, let's do it.
Your Honor.
I can't hear you. Talking to the mic, Kelly. God damn it.
Okay, all right. Your Honor, people of the courtroom here today, my client Guy Mann did a bad. He's pled guilty to those charges. We're not here to talk about it. What we're here to talk about are the negligence used by the officer today.
Let's look up the reports.
For no reason, my client was ran over. He was already on the ground, being put into cuffs, when that tire struck my client.
5610, 5615.
Your Honor, we are asking the courtroom
Your Honor.
should make the officer apologize in a form of $5,000 for Guy Mann, who did not deserve to be run over by a man who has stripes on his shirt.
He wasn't even there.
Thank you.
Why is that relevant?
I don't know.
All right, it's all you.
May I begin?
It's all yours, sir.
Your Honor, may I just start to say, as a fellow dumb fuck, just like Guy Mann, I understand what it's like to be a bit forgetful. As a man who also has a head injury, I understand what it's like to maybe not recollect things properly. But unfortunately, in this circumstance, I recollect everything fucking perfect.
Hell yeah.
And Guy Mann is too stupid to realize that he got tackled into my car that was parked while I was outside of it. and he hit the fucking front end of it. There are no parts of the medical report that say that there was any tire track marks or anything. In fact, it was more of a
Objection!
blunt force that
Hey,
He's misstating facts that are in the
there's.
written by an officer.
It doesn't say that in the medical report.
Not in the medical, but in your narrative debrief by the officer, it clearly states Corporal
said
Moose
in the
pulled up
medical
close to a
report.
guy.
Wait, isn't he allowed to misstate stuff in opening?
yeah, and also, yeah, so definitely overruled. He said medical
I'm paying
report, but
attention.
also overruled.
Where was I?
It was the
I
medical
was outside
report.
of the car, but here's the thing. I should have fucking hit him with the car.
Oh!
Because at that point, I would have been using proper force. I didn't use the correct
Whoa.
force based on my case laws. And if this guy wants to argue, he was an active shooter. And you know what? If I did it, which I should have, I'd be a fucking hero. I should have hit him with my car, but I didn't. I should have taken him out. And the fact that he's here today, standing here, trying to sue me, means I didn't do my job fucking good enough, and I should have shot him. I should have ran him over, given my case laws and my power invested in me. And that would have been the proper use of force, because this man shot another man. He was an active shooter. I should be a hero.
Oh my God.
Get him, Gordon Ramsay.
I rest.
Brave.
I rest.
Brave.
If
I
I
have
did
chills. Moose, I would let you feel my arm, but that would be disgusting.
I don't think you mean you rest until like you're done with your opening, right?
No, I'm resting up for the rest of the course.
Oh, okay. Good point.
Let's see.
Thank you for the clarification. All right.
Thank you.
Tough, but made me a believer by the end.
Woo! All right. Off to a good start, you two.
Yeah.
All right, Kelly. You go.
Uh,
Do what you
all
want
right.
to do.
We would like to call Guy Man to the stand.
All right, Mr. Man. If that is your real name.
Sean DePorter.
Here, give me the light.
That's the old.
All right. You want to get sworn in now? Put your damn hand up.
Okay.
Do you swear to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you, under the fire, hellfire, dragon mouth of perjury and hell, Sean Paul?
Yeah.
All right, good. He's all yours.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Man, when you were tackled to the ground, did you have a gun out?
That's an ugly man.
No.
Were you showing any signs of being a threat at the time?
No.
When Deputy Moose Maple pulled up onto your head, were you already on the ground?
Yes.
Did he have to run you over?
No.
No further questions.
Huh. All yours for Cross.
God, I want to say Sean Paul so bad. Mr. Can I, for the sake of this court, can I say Mr. Paul? I'm just gonna ask you again.
I'll allow it.
Man, Paul, are you able to perfectly recall the events that transpired on February of this?
Just give me the mic.
incident?
Yeah, I shot a woman in the head and then you ran me over.
Uh-huh.
But there was a lot of stuff in between that too, but
Were you tackled by an officer prior to me allegedly running you over?
Ooh.
yes.
Uh-huh. Now where did this exactly happen? Like, paint a picture for me.
So my car flipped over, my minivan.
Wait,
I was
objection
running.
narrative.
You're objecting to him?
Yeah, we don't have to do narratives here.
She's trying to
What
silence
do I
Sean
do?
Paul.
What do I do?
Ba ba ba.
I'm not even gonna.
No, hold on. So he said that, he's saying that a lot of stuff happened in between. So I need to know what that is from his perspective.
Yeah, he has a head injury. How am I supposed to know that?
Yeah, it'd be helpful to know from my own viewpoint that from start of the incident leading up to this tackle and this what is being claimed of his head being run over or whatever the hell he's claiming. what happened. So I want to hear it out of the Sean Paul's mouth.
So from the point I pulled the trigger.
So
what?
well, hold on. So overruled. Please continue. You can re-ask the question if you need it. Moose, you can ask
I'm
the
sorry.
question again
Would
if
you
you
go
need
ahead
it.
and paint me a picture of the events that transpired that night after you crashed
It's
out?
aggressive narrative.
Okay, I got out of my car. I started running. Some guy the other cop was chasing me, Maverick, and he was like, "Stop, stop!" And then he tackled me to the ground.
Stop.
I was on the ground for a few seconds, I believe, and then you came in and then ran over me. And then I'm pretty
said,
sure
"I
the car
believe."
was on top of me for at least 30 seconds or something. You didn't even move it off me. I was just there.
30 seconds?
Yeah.
You sure about that?
Are you?
Yeah. Maybe even more. I don't know. I'm pretty
okay.
sure about that.
So are you testifying here in court that you had a multiple ton scout vehicle crushing your head for over 30 seconds? And
It was the
you're here to
position of the
recall
hill that made it okay.
Okay, so you're here to recall those events today after being crushed by multiple tons for over 30 seconds?
I don't know about. Yeah, that's what happened.
Yes. Okay. Are you aware in the testimony that you got up and stated that someone ran you over?
What?
Okay, so you were stated that you were ran over in your testimony. Do you recall saying that? Or
Objection, answered.
you didn't answer. You said what?
I mean, that's an answer.
I was tackled to the ground.
Hold on. There's an objection. Kelly, clarify. So he said he didn't answer. Clarify your rebut there.
I mean, he said the words "what." It's still technically an answer.
No, Kelly.
What kind of kangaroo court is this?
Kelly, overruled.
It's a kangaroo court. I'm acting as I'm being given.
It's not a damn kangaroo.
How dare you call my court kangaroo court,
I
Kelly?
asked her.
Please go, Moose.
Thank you. Okay. In your testimony, you stated you were ran over. Which was it? Were you ran over or crushed for 30 seconds, sir?
What's the difference?
One is being ran over temporarily, and one is being crushed for multiple periods with
Where's the
a large.
definition in that?
Sir,
If
were
you
you
get ran over, why
which
does
was
that mean
it?
that the
Were you
car immediately leaves you and goes away?
Let's, for layman's terms,
Okay.
and the proper
I will
dictionary
be
terms, say yes.
specific. I got tackled to the ground, and then you parked your car on my head.
Oh my God.
Okay. So, how
The
come there were
statement
no
of
tire
claim is
marks or
wrong.
tire tracks on your head? If that's the case in your medical report, just your statement.
I don't know.
Okay.
Why would there be tire marks?
Okay. Because a tire was crushing your head. You ever seen
Why
someone
would
run
they be-
over before?
No, have you? Obviously.
Yeah, they get
me.
tire marks like a little Looney Tunes cartoon. All right, another one more question.
I did have my mask on at the time, so maybe that's what was going on.
That could have done it.
Okay. So you were ran over, but you were in crush for 30 seconds, but you were cognitive enough to let everybody know that you were ran over? You were still cognitive?
Objection, weird.
Oh, he said his skull was crushed.
He's not a doctor.
Yeah, I got.
So I think he's not. Wait, who's not a doctor?
It's the man. He's sitting there saying, "Oh, you got ran over, but you could do this." Like, come on.
He's saying he got crushed.
Yeah, I think.
Nothing happens.
Okay, I'm with you. So my understanding right now is the line of questioning, and I think we can move on from it. Is in general. Thank you. You can leave it outside.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry. Is it the line of questioning in general is that he's in the hospital, or like he's stating that he got up. Rather, in the report is that he got up and said that something ran him over. It's even in the statement of claim here.
Sure.
But versus a car parked on his head, right? And
Yeah, that's why I'm asking, because it's, it's super differentiating.
yeah, understood. And like the difference would be 30-ton car, crush on head, whereas in the medical report, that's all stuff I'll dig into. I got you on that.
I'll transition away from that. Mr. Mann, have you ever had a whoopsie?
Sorry about that. My
What you would call
wife's
maybe a
food.
whoopsie?
Like a fart? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by the whoopsie? What does that even mean?
Okay, I can.
Confusing? Yeah, I'll sustain that. I want to know what that is.
Okay, I can restate. Have you ever had an accident happen to you? Have you ever done an accident? A no-no?
Shit myself? Is that what you asking me about shit myself?
I don't know. Have you ever had an accident?
Objection relevance, Your Honor.
What is he asking me?
Well,
I think that's extremely relevant. It says
You're asking if I shit myself before. Is that really what's happening right
Hold
now?
on, Mr.
Well,
Mann, I have to rebuttal.
Yeah, I think he's going to clarify. I'm letting him clarify his question, okay?
It states in the.
Yes, I'm shit myself.
Nice. Low bones. Low bones on that one, Sean Paul.
Okay, well, good one, Sean Paul. Well, here's the thing. In the statement of Mr. Nolan here, it states that he was accidentally ran over by Mr. Moose Maple. Now, I'm asking him, Mr. Moon, if he's ever had an accident happen to him, given that this is a civil case, not a criminal case. And you have shit yourself. What about not shitting yourself? Have you ever done an oopsie?
Irrelevant.
It's so relevant.
What other... I don't understand what he's asking me.
Okay,
it might be relevant.
I'll clarify. I'll clarify. Mr. Sean Paul, have you ever done something and afterwards been like, whoops?
Oh, like an oopsie doodle.
Yeah, you ever been like, oops, after you did
Oh,
something?
okay. Yeah, I got you. Like, oh, like a mistake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like when you drop a baby.
I'm not dropping
What the hell is going on? Sorry.
Have you ever been oops after you did something?
I didn't know. Oh, sorry about that. Continue.
He's
But
never
I have shit myself.
Oh,
Jesus Christ.
okay, so
I didn't
in
oops.
this court,
I
you're
pooped.
testifying you've shit yourself, but you've also never.
Sorry, someone's pounding on my
said
door,
oops
guys. I
after you did
apologize.
something? You've never made an
You're
oopsie?
proud shitter, Your Honor.
I don't understand what's happening right now.
Just answer the question at this point.
Have I ever said the word oops after I
Have you ever
accidentally
made a
done something?
mistake?
Have you ever made a
Impossible.
mistake, sir?
Yeah, obviously. Look, yeah.
It was very
Obviously, this
distracting. I
outfit was a
couldn't pay
mistake.
attention.
I didn't
I
need
thought
to
I
say
dressed
that,
so
Your
nice
Honor.
to come here.
It's
and you
okay.
guys calling me Sean Paul.
It's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay.
Didn't come
It's
out of my mouth.
he's clearly very overwhelmed, so we'll move on.
Okay. You know what? I think that's all the questions. for me
Okay.
right now.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Maple.
I got a question.
Okay, go ahead. Recross is yours.
Oh. Have you ever accidentally ran over someone?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
That question sucked.
Let me
Suck, bird.
Oh, you can hear me?
see
Yeah.
that.
Whoops.
1 second, Mr. Man.
Your Honor,
Okay.
you should have killed my client. Help.
Okay. What?
No, Sloan stated that she hit a guy and ran over him. I said that could have been me.
All right, sir. I think that's it for you. You can sit on down.
Come back, guy. And sit down.
Go on down.
Calm down.
Put the mic down. Just get back the mic.
I did, didn't I?
All right. Anyone else from your end there?
No. Do you want me to just save for pointing out evidence till closing?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Then we have no other witnesses.
Yeah, make sure you're to defend, you know, the financial requests, all that stuff. Make sure you get that ready, okay?
Oh, I'm a ready
Oh,
person.
okay, Kelly. God.
I'm fired up. 4 hours of sleep.
Who?
Hacks. Good one.
Hey, you did it. Yeah. I learned that one on the Twinsta. All right, Mr. Maple, it's on to you. Do you want to come up here and talk?
Yeah, I'll come
All
up here
right.
and talk.
All right.
Woo! Go Maple!
All right. Go ahead. There it is. There he is. All right. Go ahead. Raise your. Who do you want to swear into today? You're all right. You need a tissue.
God.
You need a tissue.
I'm good to be sworn in.
All right. Who you swearing into today?
I think I should also swear to Sean Paul. I think
Okay. Do you swear to tell the whole truth, nothing but that truth? And then if you don't, the hellfires from the Bahamut will come up and singe you, and you'll be charged with perjury. Keep the hand up, goddammit. So help you, Sean Paul.
Yes.
See what you. All right.
Give it to him.
Yeah, there you go. All right. Make sure you're using the mic and you're talking loud. What?
I want to object to. He's going to give a narrative statement in a.
Bahamut is from Final
He had
Fantasy
30
Gay.
days, almost 30 days to get a lawyer.
I want to point out on Moose's behalf, he was in the mountains fighting a Sasquatch for a whole month.
And a week.
Who asked? Because that doesn't matter in the court of law.
Oh my god!
What if I don't want a lawyer? It doesn't. I don't have to have a lawyer.
He appeared in court today. It's fine. We'll allow him to give his narrative now.
Do you want to be my lawyer?
God damn it!
You want to?
I know,
both
Kelly.
sides
It's
and waive
okay.
that?
I'll be your lawyer.
Yeah, no, it's
All
okay. I
right.
think it'd be better if they were to
No.
waive their confliction. Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Ask you to give
All right.
narrative testimony officially.
I'll make this short then, since they're pissed off that I'm.
They're mad at
Even
you.
they're trying to silence me too. They don't want me to speak my truth.
Fuck men.
Oh my God! Do not
What?
talk about Bahamut
Keep that on the
like that.
records.
Gay.
Your Honor, I do not feel
Gay
safe in this court of law.
hibiscus.
They're trying to fuck me.
Your Honor. Being hostile.
Your Honor, they're trying to fuck me.
Guys, keep that for after court.
I don't
Sorry,
feel safe in this
We
court.
can all go down to pictures and have a good one.
Okay, I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Oh, you're gonna apologize to him, but not to me?
No.
Your Honor?
Objection. Come on.
Shut up,
Guys,
I'm not-
come on! We're all
Your Honor,
friends
they
here.
said they were gonna fuck me and wouldn't apologize when I said I don't feel safe.
It's gonna be nice. It'll be nice.
Don't tell me it's gonna be. I don't feel
It'll be
safe in this
nice.
fucking court.
I have so many distractions
Okay, I'll
going on.
speak my-
I had people
my truth.
pounding on the door, and now my wife's telling me to be quiet.
On the night of what is this? When did this happen? February 10th, 2024. Mr. Man
It's
here
great. Just
was an
great over
active
here.
shooter. And it just fucking tears me apart that I didn't do more. You know? They stated that it was an accidental run over, in which case would be under the purview of my duty as an officer, operating under the, laws and the jurisdiction and things of this sort that I can do, because we have qualified
they?
immunity in these sort of things. And I think this is a perfect example. But outside of the qualified immunity, I should have done it, because that man almost killed another person. And I should have been a hero. If I did it, which I didn't, I wish that I would have done more, because it's just so hard for me to see someone just making this place scarier for everyone. And look at, the company you keep, their lawyers trying to fuck me in the court of law. In the court of law. And not with the laws or anything. They're just trying to. Look, I'm trying to say that I'm pretty sure this is a perfect case of qualified immunity. And the fact that the statement there even states it was an accident, but I don't even recall that. I'm pretty sure I was out of the car when he fucking got tackled into it, because I had my taser out. But for some reason, the statement states that I ran him over, which I was going to come in here and talk all about, how I didn't actually run him over and he got fucking tackled into it. But it seems like Nolan wants to grief me. So here I am with Nolan trying to be a little asshole. And there's no tire truck. This guy was crushed for 30 seconds and then has the audacity to state exactly how I ran him over.
For a
Look,
day.
I am a serial.
He's just talking. I don't hear no yaps. He's
How
not.
long?
It's been how long you been talking?
been like 30 seconds.
Yeah. I'm gonna let him keep talking. I like it. I like his voice.
Look, as a member of the medically diagnosed head injury
This is good.
gang,
This is a good
I have a
narrative.
steel-plated toque, and I have had the most head traumas.
Here's the
and
thing.
I've had the most
Guy
brain
Man
surgeries out of anyone in this fucking city.
went to the
And I
doctor
understand what it's like to
24
walk
hours
around with this.
later.
And this man's playing off one of us. He's trying to join the club, and he just wants people to treat him probably better and with a little bit of pity. And I understand that.
Oh,
And
12 in the morning.
Mr. Man, I'll
Never
give you
mind.
pity, but I will not give you $5,000 because that's qualified immunity. And if I did hit you, I didn't, mean to, but you were an active threat, and I should have hit you. I should have ran you over, and I should have went back and forth over it as to eliminate the threat versus Tennessee versus Garner. But I didn't do that. So you're welcome. I actually used less force than I should have. I'm done.
Thank you. Thank you for that. Banana, he's all yours, Banana. Or actually, no. Reeds. Sorry, I forgot you were there. Oh, God.
Ooh.
Ooh. All right, he's all yours.
All right. Can you state your rank at the time of the incident?
No, I don't remember. I was probably corporal. I don't know. This was February. I don't know.
I know.
I was probably a corporal still. I don't know. Maybe but just a deputy.
What's your rank now?
Corporal.
Did my client have a gun when your car hit him?
Yeah.
Was it out?
No.
What threat did he pose at the time?
When was
He
this?
could have taken the gun out and shot us just like John F. Television does all the time. I've been
Did he?
shot in the head by a man who pulls a sniper rifle, turns around, and fucking collaterals us multiple times. Did he? No, because he was taken out before he could.
So just to clarify, he had no gun in hand.
Not yet.
Why'd you do it?
I didn't.
Come on, we're just friends here. Why'd you do it?
I'm gonna be honest. I'm probably one of the most aggressive people I know. I didn't do it, but I really should have.
He really is.
I wish I could have got out of the car and just beat his ass with my hands in a mutual combat with our shirts off. We would have walked away best friends. But instead, we have to be here in the court of law.
Why are two officers in the statements of the case saying that you ran him over?
I actually don't know. I think it's just Nolan that said that. No.
No,
And then the
also
other
in-
statement's him saying that he said he was ran
In
over.
Isaiah Maverick's narrative debrief, he states that you got too close and ran him over.
Well, there. Hey, if I got too close when he got tackled into the car
Accidentally
while
run
I was
over.
driving to corral him, which is what we normally do in foot pursuits, that's unfortunate. I'd like to think that that's most likely the case because he was clearly tackled onto the ground and
He said
in the statements, I was
accidentally.
clearly driving. It seems like this is more of a Maverick tackling this man under my
Atkins,
tires than a me running him over.
Are you trained to make contact with your car with someone running away with no weapons in hand?
No.
Why did you need to be close enough to him to make contact?
Well, I wasn't necessarily close to make contact because even in the statement it states that he was tackled. But as officers, we are
Oh, he
trained
said it.
in foot
Corporal
pursuits to corral them
pulled
like
up
little
close to guy,
sheepdog,
which resulted
and
in
if I'm
guy's
pulling
head
in front
being
of him to
crushed
make
by
him
the
turn,
vehicle.
and I stop my car at a complete
Did get
stop, or if
crushed.
it's maybe going at 1 or 2
Okay.
miles an hour.
So it might have been
and
an
officer maybe
accident.
tackles him into that car. That's
So it's an accident, but it did happen.
That's what, you know what?
That seems like a problem that they put themselves in when they evaded after shooting a person and trying to take their life with a sniper rifle,
But
and at
yeah,
that point being an active threat of an active
that's what I'm
shooter
thinking.
and
It's an
escalating
active
the
threat
force to the point where we even need to
circumstance.
do something like that. I wouldn't have been put in that situation if Guy Man here wouldn't have been on top of a roof with a sniper rifle looking like a Mission Impossible motherfucker.
How come no other officer, you or any other officer shot him if he had shot somebody?
We were de-escalating. We didn't need to, which is why I'm arguing in this court of law that I actually used less force than I could have.
Yeah.
He didn't have a gun, so we didn't shoot him.
What kind of force is a gun?
What?
You know, in a police, you know,
Deadly.
how do you view a gun? What kind of force is that?
I don't think we need to argue SOPs in the court of law.
It's not SOP, it's just your opinion.
A gun, what kind of force? Physical? Kinetic force?
Would you say it's deadly?
Sure.
Would you say running someone over to be deadly force?
No, he's alive right here.
Yeah, true.
People get ran over all the time.
Did the person he shoots survive?
I don't know.
Don't know.
I didn't have the privy to that information in the incident when they were chasing after him, when they were still on the ground bleeding out. They could have been dead. We need to treat every situation like that with the utmost importance, because that person's life could have been lost.
More
And
people
their
die
friends,
from
family,
guns
kids,
in the
and
game.
children,
Yeah.
and their little cousins all could be crying later that night.
So you think it's okay to run? Guy, shut up. So you think it's okay
Guy.
to run someone over
Right
and
over
shot
there,
someone instead of just shooting them down?
Personally, I do think it's okay.
Hit.
Okay. No further questions.
Hey, stop doing that back there, sir.
Ezekiel!
Stop that. Stop doing that.
Your Honor, I tripped.
Do it one more time and see what happens.
I'm very sorry, Your Honor.
Stop walking too.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I don't.
You good? You
I don't
don't
have
you
a
want to
lawyer.
ask yourself any questions?
No one ever asked me how I'm doing.
How are you doing?
I'm not good.
I know. I can smell it on you, bud. You want a key to my place?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh. Whoa.
Hey, big boy.
Oh, hey. All right.
Here you go.
I'll go have a. All right.
There you go. Here's a
I'm not going for a mistrial.
it's
I'm waiting for
key,
this for way
key to
too
my
long.
place. Here, take
Hey,
my
watch out,
take
Moose.
my
His last three
take
wives
my
have all been
keys.
murdered.
I'll
so-
need them back.
All right.
All right.
I'm selling Peach.
I'm moving Peach in.
Nice. Okay.
I can't hear you.
What? Oh yeah, hello.
Hello.
Okay. All right. Closing time. That's not Sean. Closing time. You guys ready?
I'm ready.
Step on up, Kelly.
Your Honor, people in
Hello.
the courtroom here today, we have a situation of just gross negligence and overuse of force. My client stated by both Mr. Maple and Mann had no weapon and posed no threat at the time of being run over. You have officers stating, too, that he did it purposefully or maybe
Action!
accident.
Misstatement attempt. I did not say.
Uh-oh. I did it. I broke the game by doing the camera. His face is so ugly. So fucking ugly. Fuck. Fuck. The game just said, the game said. The game said no. No, sir. Kiddo Smeary. How could Sean Paul do this? Bro. What is going on? You were saying.
I objected to them lying and saying I did it on purpose in their closing, but I won't do it anymore. No malarkey.
Okay. Hey, I'm pro malarkey, but no. Keep going.
I threw off my things. Let me change things up a bit. For qualified immunity to work here, in a case of a man who had no weapon in hand, was already tackled on the ground when the car approached, stated by 2 officers in the report,
One said accident.
would just be unjust to my client.
Said an accident.
You've seen the defense over here show no remorse for what happened to my client. We beg, Your Honor, to give my client, my guy man, justice. Thank you.
May I?
Yeah.
Your Honor, people of the court, I said this multiple times that I didn't, but I should have. It's not a lack of remorse. It's just an understanding of my position as a law enforcement officer. You know, sometimes we know what we got to do. And in those instances, if you don't know what you got to do, you're going to die too. Okay? Me being qualified in my immunity means that in that situation, I wouldn't have even had to have corralled this man if he wouldn't have put himself. Oh, Jesus Christ!
Oh my God!
No.
Okay. Fucking A, Jesus Christ.
Hey, relax. It's just Archie. Jeez.
I
He came
know.
up on me like he was gonna assassinate
He jump
me.
scares.
I've been fighting Sasquatch or something. Look, we were actually de-escalating and using less force, given the fact that, you know, we want to talk about, if she's going to talk about use of force and our, you know, what we can and can't do, we could have shot that man immediately, whether he had a gun or not. He just executed someone with a sniper rifle. It has nothing to do with whether he has a gun out or not. We believe without a reasonable doubt and a good faith belief that he would have possibly harmed other people. Well, he still had that sniper rifle. He could have turned around and two-pieced us. Now, I should have probably hit him. I didn't, though. But whether or not it was an accident or not is a whole other story. And look, even if it was an accident, he was still tackled to the ground and he would be placed on cuffs. At that point, his life would have been forfeit regardless. So I'd like to have the court understand that if I did it, I'd be a hero. But either way, this is a bunch of hoopla, and it doesn't state $5,000 and a bunch of this guy clearly doesn't need $5,000.
They didn't
he
even
clearly
say.
recollects everything. He's operating on a normal. His medical report doesn't state that he needs multiple check-ins,
Right.
things of the sort like I did when I went through my head injury.
Right.
There's no reason for the $5,000. And honestly, I wish I would have sat my car on top of him like he states. He can't even recall whether or not the car sat on him for 30 seconds or I ran him over. It's a bunch of hoopla hoopy. And I should have just shot him, like, you know, what seems to be like what the lawyer here wants me to do. But I didn't. If I did it. Thank you.
All right. Miss Banana, did I miss where this $5,000, this number's coming from?
Oh yeah.
Did he miss work? Did he miss a show down in Puerto Rico?
I don't think he missed the show at Puerto Rico, but
Sean Paul.
I kind of just been throwing. Sorry, my whole flow got ruined with everything.
Catch your flow. Shake that thing, go. Bada bada.
I suppose the punitive should have been more for pain and suffering, simple from the fact that we have a medical report. He needed to have surgery done when it wasn't necessary, and you know, there's no standard of how much to act. So
When it wasn't
yeah,
necessary. Okay. Thank you. I'll take a look. Give me a minute to peruse. Peruse it. Peruse the docs.
I don't like that. I don't like that word.
You don't like peruse?
What, you don't like
Who
peruse?
does?
What's wrong with peruse?
There's so much wrong with peruse.
Who's a good Archie? Who's a good?
Did you just? Who's a good Archie?
Yeah, I thought it was the name of the dog
He was
too.
talking to the dog, yeah.
Oh.
Is that not?
Well,
I thought you were sort of disrespecting your.
Oh no,
you know.
I would never. I thought you said that the dog scared me. You said, "Oh, that's just Archie."
Oh, I meant the Lambda.
Oh yeah, no, I saw. I waved at Lambda. I thought the dog was also named Lambda.
No, the dog is something else.
That's a terrible name for a dog.
Well, I know
Something else.
That's not its name. I
Awful
don't know what
name.
the dog's name is.
It's like a Dr. Seuss name. Thing 1, thing 2, something
I
else.
don't know what the dog's name is. It's not something else. It's
Okay.
something though. I mean, it's not something.
It's something
either,
though.
but I don't know what it is.
Okay.
this is kind of a
Anyways.
similar situation.
That
to
guy looks
another
like Sean
case.
Paul. Sorry, I'll lock it back in. Oh my god, he looks like
kidding.
Sean Paul.
He does look like Sean.
Shake that thing, go, got about it.
You should put a photo up before your verdict.
Oh god, if only the photos worked. I don't know how to do it well.
Oh,
Give
I
me the
figured
photo
out
and
how.
I'll do it for you.
I signed up to Photo Bucket, and that just has a giant watermark that says, "Thanks for using Photo Bucket."
Huh?
How do you do it? How do you do
Just
it?
copy it and then paste it into the.
I did that, but I did that. I've been
And then
doing
it-
that.
and then you-
Do it.
Yeah,
do
and
it
then it
better.
thinks for a little minute, and then it's
Oh, it takes
like,
a minute.
good to go.
Oh, it takes a minute. Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's got to upload it to the projector.
What, do you
database.
do it to the upper or bottom where it says paste
The
image?
bottom.
The
That's what I
bottom with
thought.
the
That's
paste.
what I thought.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
And then it
Okay.
takes a moment. And it's just like thinking,
Okay,
and then
I'll
you're
do
then it's
that.
like, aha, ding, ding, ding.
All right.
Yeah.
I would say,
Yeah, think
why
harder.
don't you go throw Sean Paul, the white suit picture up there right now? You know the one.
Me?
Yeah, the one of him
You-
in the white suit.
Wait, give it to me.
You say it properly. Say, give me the light.
Give me the light.
Thank you. Here it comes. Here comes the light. He literally wore this fit. He in that fit out there.
I'll be back in a minute.
She'll be right back. Okay. This is an interesting one because it's both police officers. One states cracked his head. The other one, Nolan, says accident. It's an accident. This is an incident for me where it's, yeah, this guy is an active shooter. They're running, they're in pursuit of a man that is an active shooter. Injuries might happen. I'm happy the guy's not dead, but injuries might happen. You know? That's what happens when you do fucking heinous crime. Thank God he's not dead.
Does this fall under the state v. Glenn Armstrong case law?
Oh, all right. Taking a look.
Why is she so loud?
I know. It's her day off. I'll give her a break.
Immediate threats of serious physical harm, either to the officer or to others. It is not constitutionally unreasonable to prevent escape by using deadly force.
Okay, whether the suspect is actively resisting or attempting to evade arrest by flight. So, I mean, he was evading arrest. That's why there was such chaos. That's why he was tackled. I think it
Okay,
just...
so what's the underlying crime that was happening here?
Hello, Archie. What is your dog's name? It's not also Archie?
It's Reginald. Sir
Reginald.
14th, and it's not my dog.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yet.
Join the circle of truth.
Okay,
Hello
so what's
there,
the
Pup Pup.
crime that's originally alleged here?
It was hold on.
Attempted murder. He
Attempted
said
murder,
he did it
yeah.
too.
Okay, so so it's basically okay.
Yeah,
and
attempted
then
murder,
this
misuse of hunting
man-
rifle, and then evading.
Okay,
Yeah,
they know he has a gun, but the gun is just not out at this time.
Yeah, because it's a hunting rifle, so he
Right.
stowed it.
But
he was evading arrest because of that incident.
So I think you're getting into territory where this is probably applicable, right? You have a potential fleeing felon here, I guess, right? For lack of better, poses an immediate threat of physical harm, either to the officer or others. You're trying to prevent escape, and then presumably.
It's a deadly.
During the
felony.
chase, maybe he's following too closely, maybe not. But so then what? He's accidentally tackled and then hit by a vehicle. Is that what's happening here?
He's intentionally tackled, but as that occurs, it's reported by both Malcolm Nolan, as well as another officer on scene. Nolan states he's tackled by Maverick, and because of that, Moose is like pulling up to the scene to assist and accidentally runs him over. Maverick states, I tackle him and Moose pulled up close to us and it didn't say accidentally. He says, and ran over his head, ran over Mr. Mann's head. So they both attest to the fact that he ran him over. Nolan stating it's an accident. Regardless, his head did get run over. We do know that. For 2v1 there.
Okay, so
it seems like for Moose, he's just doing his job. That's why he really does not remember at all. And it seemed like Mann kind of popped up and was okay on scene. Adrenaline. I'm gonna put that on adrenaline. Okay.
Okay. So I guess what my initial take is on this is: do you feel that this case law applies and that whatever amount of force is being alleged to have been used here is reasonable for the officers to use?
Yeah. So in this case, they Moose attested to this on the stand, and I think it's a fair take. If this man was evading arrest for using a hunting rifle, and let me just confirm he was found with a hunting rifle.
Yeah, he was.
Thank you. So he's using this hunting rifle to shoot people. Active shooter circumstance. They're chasing him. They did everything, as far as I'm aware, to not shoot him. Which I think is restraint that I love to see our officers use if they can avoid harming themselves or putting themselves in harm's way. So tackling, tasers, I think when they do operate restraint, accidents like running over someone's limbs might occur when they're trying to get in there and help their fellow officers. But when you're doing a violent crime like shooting people, you are subjecting yourselves to be open to that, like getting shot. You know what I mean? Yeah. Like you're putting yourself in that way, and I think that's what that the case law outlines. It's I think they are protected. They did their job, and he was a casualty of a freak chance that he was run over. And I think it's a bit insulting to sue, given the fact that he was that the rest of the state institutions perform surgery on him, free surgery, and he's trying to get money out of him now without any backing. No lost wages, none of that. It's just give us $5,000.
Yeah, this is literally a case where he got run over, he was incapacitated on scene, he was taken to the hospital, he had surgery, he recovered, got taken to the police station, and was processed.
Yep.
He never got checked into the ICU or anything like that.
No, nothing like that. No,
there's no
he
medical,
couldn't work.
No follow-up reports. There's
no follow-up reports.
No need for medication.
So it's just a money grab then.
Yeah, it's a money grab.
Okay. No, I think you know what you're doing here.
Yeah. Okay. Who's a good fuzzy? Who's good fuzzy? Who's the best fuzzy thing? Who's a good fuzzball? I hate poodles. I'll be honest. I hate them. They're smart, but I fucking look at it. Look at that thing.
I don't like the whole like way that people, you know,
shear
like,
them
just
like a
yeah,
sheep.
Yeah, is that the right way to put it? I don't really know.
Shearing. Yeah. It's a grooming thing they do. Look, it's like a hedge. It's like Edward Scissorhands type thing.
Like, just let them be like themselves, you know, just like you know,
all moppy looking. It's a total Archibald dog. I'll let it.
It is an Archie dog. Yeah.
Yeah. I think I'm more of like I'm a pug French bulldog, something that looks like it shouldn't be able to breathe type thing.
Oh, I'm a husky kind of guy.
Yeah, you are. You're a German Shepherd, aren't you? That like would eat your throat type. Mm-hmm.
Yep.
All right. God damn! Well, no, you go. Yeah, you go.
No, you're good. You're good.
Oh, Mr. Mann. Mr. Mann, I see we found your portrait on the internet. Good to see you at the Grammy Awards. I think that was the Latin Grammy Awards.
Yeah, that was a great night.
Yeah, seems like it, sir. You look fucking great.
Thank you.
You've aged poorly.
Oh.
You've got a bit of a Sharpay vibe now.
Evans?
All right. What are you saying Evans to? Paul Evans. Is Paul Evans here?
Sharpay, I thought you were talking about High School Musical.
Your Honor.
Oh. I was like 50 when that. Yes, no. Yeah, no
I'm
thanks.
not sure why that old man is talking about High School Musical.
Leave Moose alone. He's 24. Yeah, he's a young buck.
Yeah.
All right. So I've got a verdict. Who wants to hear it?
I do.
All right. This one's pretty straightforward. I'm going to be citing a case law here, okay? Who likes case laws? All right. In this case law, I'm going to be citing State v. Glenn Armstrong, number 6952, in which we outline the reasonableness of the application of force of officers, determined on weighing factors, circumstances, and to which degree an officer will be held liable of like unconstitutional force based upon what they're allowed to do in their job. Okay. The long and short of it here is I do not think Mr. Maple willingly ran over Mr. Mann's head. I think Mr. Maple arrived on scene to what was an evading individual in Mr. Mann from an active shooter scene, okay, to help his fellow officers. It is attested to by testimony of two officers on the police report that was provided in evidence. One, Mr. Nolan, who stated it was an accident. The other, Maverick, who tackled Mr. Mann, stated Maple pulled up close on scene, which resulted in him running over Mr. Mann's head. Okay? In both of those circumstances, regardless, he was arriving on scene to help with a very violent offense, which was attempted murder, and the individual was evading and had a rifle on his person. Okay? Shortly thereafter, long and short of it is he's allowed to be there on scene. He operated within his rights to enforce the law and did nothing malicious. He did not do anything outside of reasonable force, okay? And just to further state, in general, the medical reports are just quite simply that, he cracked his head. and had some bruised ribs. There was no further evidence that he needed to go back to the hospital, suffered any additional pains, didn't have any missed work, didn't need to go back for like physical therapy, concussion protocols, anything like that. So the statement of needing $5,000 really came off as a cash grab versus I suffered significant pain and it impacted my daily life. Therefore, as stated, based upon the case law and just the lack of any real medical claim to or necessity for that money, I'm ruling in favor of the defendant.
Yeah.
All right, bang bang.
Shut the
Adjourned.
ball.
So how much do I get there?
You don't get nothing.
What? Nah, come on.
Right, you found a storm. Sloan, you got 5
Which one is this?
It's the evil one, sir.
I had a feeling. God damn it. How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you, sir?
I'm all right. I'm doing all right. We did it. He did it. What's next? What court's next?
I don't know. Is there? I think is there another one today?
Lana Gray's getting sued today, right?
Oh my God!
I
What
think
did
it's
she
later on in
do?
the day, though, right? There's one in like
First Gray is at 7.
yeah, in like 3 hours, right?
What did she do?
I might be
Humphrey's
back for
coming
the
back.
end of that one, maybe. We'll see.
Oh yeah, I was literally.
7 p.m. Eastern.
Are you gonna be?
RV.
You gonna
Oh,
be
look out.
do not disturb for a bit?
Oh fuck.
Well, I have a game night. in
Yeah, no,
about
you
an
did. You
hour.
did. You helped me out. I was stuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, I get. Sorry, I was slow on the. Yes, do not disturb.
Oh, I get it now too.
Yeah.
I'll be good at that.
I get it too.
But yes.
At first, that was I did not get it. You could say it was no dice.
Okay, I have a question.
Yeah, well, that's court.
Hello.
Hi, Kit.
Hello.
Don't do it, Franklin. Do not throw her off.
That's not Franklin.
Do not. Oh, that's not.
That's Rooster.
Okay.
Since when in the world did Frankie look like this? He's over there.
I didn't know, Wombat. I'm sorry.
Okay, I forgive you. I love you.
I love you too. Yeah, thank
What
you.
was the verdict? Sorry, I wasn't there. Ruled in favor of defendant.
She's like, I had to do that because.
All right. Let's go raid. Sophomore. Short day. Day off. Day off. Thank you for hanging out with Court. I know. I'm a terrible human. And sophomore's the worst. I know.
Kit!
What? 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 What?
Kit!
Oh! Ow! 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 Ow!
Kit, I have a question.
What?
When did the case law get instated? Do you know?
That was 6952. 6952. 6952.
Is open and closed
6952.
I mean, you'd think he's been doing it forever.
6952, February 24th.
So that's after the incident
Yeah,
happened?
case laws are retroactive.
What?
Yeah. This is today. It's today. You're pressing the civil suit today.
I
Like we're
pressed
seeing
it
this.
a month ago.
Yeah, February
I went through
24th.
10 lawyers.
What?
I went through 10 lawyers to get this pushed through.
Yeah, it happened. Congratulations.
They all just ignored me.
Yeah.
I mean,
you would have found the same. It would have been a case law in favor of, it would have been called the Moose Maple case law.
Not the guy, man.
No. It'd be called the Guy Man v. Maple case law if this case law didn't exist.
Can we go back in time and at least name it after me?
No.
no.
No, no. Mm-mm. No, we cannot. That's not
Unless
gonna
you can
happen.
figure out time travel, but
Yeah.
Working on it.
I know.
okay.
Just in general, but I would say in general, like if you are ever in a situation where you are suing someone, make sure, like, if you've missed any work or anything, that's the type of shit I eat and breathe, as much many judges do. Like, if you just crack your head
I
open.
don't know anymore.
What?
I've just been having a lot of issues with the court.
What do you mean?
It's been rough, Kit. It's been so rough. I'm trying.
I know one client that would have had your back, but it's they're dead now.
Oh, did they die?
Yeah, they're dead.
If only they listened to me and just put frosting on their face for 5 seconds. Fucking asshole.
Oh. The Cookie Man's dead?
Yeah,
That was
they're
a great
dead.
idea. Yeah.
They're dead. Yeah. If they remove
I
their
fucking
face, they
saved
died.
their lives for no fucking reason.
Oh no, you're one of the rare people that love them. You love them.
I didn't
That's
love them.
beautiful.
I just felt like I had
That is a beautiful thing
duty
you
to save
did.
their life.
Come here, Kit. I need to talk to you.
I love cookies.
Privately, just you and I.
What?
Mono, a banana.
Are you gonna kill me, banana?
Let me kill you. Bye, guy. I'll talk to you later about this.
Are
I'm
you going to
sorry.
fucking shank me?
No, I don't have a knife. I have a gun, but I'm not gonna use it. I like you too much, Kit. Even when you're, jokingly, I hope, mean to me.
I'm never mean to you.
No. I love you too much.
You
Kit.
piece of shit.
Oh, you and your silly Kit ways.
What?
I need your professional opinion on appealing cases. and-
Like banana.
Okay, that was good. I didn't really mean it that way. But so like I've had now 2 cases where the judges basically stated, yeah, the cops didn't document what this is to, but it's probably this, so I'm gonna find you guilty. Or, I'm pretty sure that person gave it to you, so I'm gonna just say guilty. What am I supposed to do? Some of these charges are felonies, and judges and justices are just going off of their beliefs and stating it in their closing or in their, things.
What?
Do judges just don't have to,
What
be-
cases? What trials
So-
were these?
Okay, so we have the Tory Spooner case
Oh, the
for
Spooner
gun
one.
trafficking. I want to appeal it.
I heard that I heard Spooner got very fortunate in her bail
Okay.
hearing.
Okay.
So fuck that.
Okay, hold on.
Archibald.
I don't look. It was very nice of him to do it. However, I still feel like he ruled on, a pattern. Do you really think a pattern could be 2? Doesn't it need to be like 3 or more? Isn't that why?
A
the
pattern
charges are
is
3?
a pattern of weapons trafficking. I wouldn't say a pattern, but weapons trafficking is 3 guns.
Right,
Where there are
right,
3
but
guns involved.
But what I'm saying is a pattern of so like just legally like when
A
the cops are
pattern in
investigating-
general, I would say, is more than 2. Yeah.
So when he rules, well, she says she found a dumpster. He says a dumpster. That's a pattern. Wouldn't you say, well, no?
Is it happening within the span of how many days? 2 days? 3 days? 4 days? A week?
I don't even think there's actually documentation of when he found the gun and when she got that gun. But
Yeah.
I have. So wait, do you think
you know what I
can-
mean? Like, did someone do X behavior over the span of 3 days, and is there enough to press the charge because it's been, the set number of weapons? That's what I would look to. Is it like they find this person doing this crime through this method, and they have enough documentation because of, whatever other set of evidence? That's how I would view it. Does that make sense? Am I making sense? I'm not
Yes,
pulling up the report,
yes.
but that's how.
No. I'm not asking for like your actual.
Yeah, I
in-depth
gotcha.
Look, this is like just
gotcha.
off the cuffs, kind of just shooting the shit. Appealing cases, so that's possible, right? Like if a judge rules on something, it's possible to appeal it.
Yes. So ideally, you're getting a verdict from a me, or an Archibald, Devereaux, or a Dupre, and then you can appeal it, and it will be a Justice, Joy, exactly, like, or Katya, yeah.
Okay. Now here's my second question on this case. Do you think that's career suicide?
No, I do not.
Okay, so you don't-
No, I do not think it's correct because what you'll do is you'll put forth an appeal to the Supreme Court. They'll review it as a panel and decide upon it. Pretty much, they'll just decide if they'll hear it. Okay,
So when I say career suicide, when I go and put like the statement of we believe the courts did not, weigh in the facts beyond reasonable doubt and instead ruled on personal beliefs, you don't think me calling out a judge is career suicide?
I'd just be careful with phrasing. But no, I don't. I think doing it on your client's behalf is completely exactly. And the justices, I think you've got Justice, Katya and Joy and
Montag.
Exactly.
And came up out of nowhere that no one really knows
Schwinghammer, like they are very, they get it. They're not going to look at that and say like, how dare you? Like you've got even myself.
Yeah,
if someone overrules bail conditions, it doesn't fucking matter. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It doesn't, like, we all have different opinions. That's why we all do what we do. And if you disagree with them, appeal it. That's completely fine. That's what the system's here for. Just, I would say be tactful in the way that you do it. So it's not, this judge is a piece of shit that has a, has a bias out. You know what I mean? Like, do it from a frame of, from backing your client. Like we feel like the case was not viewed appropriately. We have a disagreement from in the verdict based upon these facts. Lay out the facts. You know what I mean? And go from there. And do you have any additional evidence that you're going to bring forth? That type of stuff.
Yeah.
And I think that goes a long way.
Okay. Am I just a shitty lawyer?
No, you're not. No.
Okay.
It's you take cases, and that is.
I take any case, but like. There are some cases where I know to lose, and I lose, and I'm fine with it. But there's some cases where I feel like this case, I kind of like understand. Like I agree with you.
It's tough. It's tough. Yeah. This was a tough one.
There's some cases where I'm like, wow.
I didn't even know about the fucking case law, okay? I go in the back and immediately they go, hey, so case law, Glenn Armstrong versus blah, blah, blah. Like, dude.
He did not need that card to be so close to him. But
yeah, so if, say that case law didn't exist, how would I have ruled it? I would have exactly very similar. It's, the man was shooting people and the police didn't shoot him. They went out of their way to not use violent force. You even raised it in your line of questioning about what is a gun. And I also agree a car is absolutely violent and deadly force, yet it was stated by Nolan and somewhat implied by Maverick that it was an accident. You know what I mean? So
yeah, I understand.
Yeah, it's but yeah, I think it's he sped in there, slammed on his brakes, guy was tackled, couldn't react. Whether or not he remembers that, and whether or not Mr. Man remembers jumping up and saying X, Y, and Z, I blame that on adrenaline.
Yeah, but that's why you understood my objections to that.
Uh-huh.
We're not so different, you and I, Mr. O'Leary.
No, we're on the same page. Sometimes I just let people cook in there. Also,
No,
I had a lot of chaos in my brain, so I was in and out.
You gave me a whole let her cook thing in my first case, so I can't ever complain whenever you give it to anyone else.
That's right.
Whatever I'm acting out in there, it's not because I think you did something wrong. It's I need to help my client.
Hell yeah. Yeah.
All
right. Now you got this, all right? Absolutely. Now that Liz Bajek guy, you gotta figure that fucking out.
I hate him.
Okay, good.
I hate him. I want him gone.
All right. All right, good.
Like it.
Bye-bye. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna go sit here, play some solo video games, and let my cat lay on my lap. But I will be back tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow for all. for this guy. Yeah, dog. I don't do Sundays. But they said sophomore. And I said, yeah, dog. I said, yeah, dog. I said, you know I am. I love you, my little 50-pack. Go have fun with sophomore. Tell him I said he's stinky boy.